Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today I'm going to share with you a planner video, a plan with me, and I'm going to be using my Erin Condren, the Vertical Life Planner. And this is the planner that I use for design team stuff and social media things. And so I'm also going to be showing you a few sticker kits from companies on Etsy where you can print them out yourself and cut them with your cutting machine, which I love because sometimes I just want to play with my planner and I don't want to wait for the mailman, especially since the mailman doesn't seem to like me anymore. So he hardly ever comes to my house and brings me goodies. So here is just a kind of a quick overview of the last couple of weeks. And look at this kit. Aren't these owls adorable? My daughter thinks they're creepy, but I think they are so, so stinking cute. And one of the things that I do when I go looking for sticker companies is I love hand-drawn art. I just love it. I absolutely despise those kits where everybody has the same kit. I don't know why, but I don't like them. And I don't like people in my planner that are too people-y. So if they're cute and, hand-drawn and they don't look so much like real people, I love them. But the ones that look too people-y, I don't. So anyway, back to this. We're going to do the monthly view for May 2020, and I'm going to be using this sticker kit from Happy Bees, and I will leave it linked below. The owner's name is Bella, and she hand draws all of her images, so I think that's absolutely adorable, and I will show you later on. I bought a few other things from her as well. And these are the new pens that I'm using. So these are the Stedler pens, and these do not bleed through. I've tried. I've even left it sitting there for a while, kind of on accident, and it didn't bleed through. So I'll also leave those linked below as well. So here are some of the other things that I ordered from her shop. I needed some shopping ones and some cleaning ones and some laundry ones. So that's what I picked up. And these are all of her little laundry. Aren't they adorable? I think they are so stinking cute. So these are all the laundry icons to make doing housework just so much nicer, because these guys, cute little guys with their little cute little faces. And then the shopping ones, I was super excited because I actually found order groceries, because we order our stuff online and then we go pick it up. So it was kind of nice to have one that has an order your groceries, and then the other ones where it's got little bags and shopping carts. Absolutely adorable. And these all print off on one sheet, so you're not wasting a whole bunch of sheets. And each one of them has 4 sections, so it's all one 8.5 by 11 sheet. Here are the cleaning ones with the dishes and the spray bottles and the mops and the buckets and the vacuum. Adorable. I have a few other things that I ordered from her as well, but I'm going to save those for when I actually use them because they are weekly kits that I picked up. And then I have all these empty spaces here because I'm waiting for my Coffee Monsters Co. stuff to come in the mail, and I'm so excited. I can't wait for her to get to my order. But one of the things I love about printable kits is if you have stuff that you really need to get down on paper so that you don't forget it, and you don't want to just write on your planner without it being all cute and cuddly like I like to do, printable kits are the way to go. So I have a couple of shops that I told you I'm gonna link them below, and so that you can go and check them out. And they have, so far I've had no issues with the printing quality. I've had no issues with the cutting files with my silhouette. And as you can see above right there, my silhouette and I were not being friends today when I cut out my kit. That has nothing to do with Happy Bees at all. That was me not noticing that I needed to change a couple of things in the cutting, so to make it more specific for me. So I didn't, and it cut all the way through. So now I'm going to have to suffer through and undo each and every one of these individually from their backing paper. But that's okay. That's totally me. That has nothing whatsoever to do with the sticker company that made these. Happy Bees. All of the other kits that I have cut out have been absolutely perfect. And you can see my page 2 right there is fine. I finally, figured out what it was that I needed to unclick, and I unclicked it, and then everything was okay. But I wasn't going to waste the ink for the first sheet, so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way. The workday stickers are all I just made my own, and then I just cut them out. I did finally figure out how to do them individually and have them, goes all the way around, which will be in future videos. I'm just using up what I had already, which was this, where I just did the straight lines across just to denote work days. And I always put those in I know that this is my design team slash social media calendar, but I like to put things in here that might interfere with something that I'm going to be doing design team wise. If it's a work day, then I call it interfering with my fun. I need to know that ahead of time, and so I always like to put my work days on my calendar so that I know what's going on what days. And then the other thing that I like to put on here is like anything else. Like if I'm going to be gone for any length of time and I need to let them know that I won't be doing something, then I need to put that on here. Holidays, I like to put the holidays on here so that I know ahead of time if it's something where I'm not going to be available. I can let the design teams know that I'm on. And also, the other thing that I do, in my weekly spreads, I always put any family things that are going on that would mean that I need to either post something early or later or get something done beforehand. So that's how I use this calendar. It may seem like I have a lot of extra stuff on here, and sometimes I do. Like if I don't have a lot, if I don't have a lot of design team stuff or social media stuff to post, a lot of times I will post like silly family things like laundry day or I don't know. If there's nothing to put there, I want to put something on there because I mean, it's my planner. I got a plan, right? I have actually have two other planners that I use. One is my one that I take to work with me, and that one's more of like a journal, I guess. So it's decorated with the kind of sticker stuff that we use for the planners. And a lot of times I use the my Cocoa Daisy kit for that. And it's more like a journal where I just kind of keep track of things that I need to remember or stuff that like the weather is in there, what I did today, who I saw, who I talked to, that kind of stuff is in that one. And that is a TN sized one. And then my big planner, which is I show every time I do the Cocoa Daisy unboxings, I use my big planner, and that's where I have pretty much everything else. Like everything else is in there. So on this one of the things that these kits come with on the monthly view are things like paydays, bills. You see those little icons up there with the light bulb and the Wi-Fi and all that. So I decided to start tracking those because I thought it would be kind of interesting in that sidebar over there to kind of keep a track of what I pay every month for things like water and light and whatever. And those are things that I probably would normally put in my other planner, the one that I use for all that kind of stuff, but it's here and it's cute and it matches. So I'm going to put it in here just because, I don't know. Has nothing whatsoever to do with social media, but I just think it's super adorable. And then there's all these extra boxes at the top because of the way that the month falls. And so I'm going to use those to try to put anything extra up in those boxes where it says this month and goals. So now that I've got all of my date covers in, I've got all my boxes covered up, I've got all my work days in there, I'm going to start just kind of using my Newell Stadler pens here, and I'm going to start writing in some of the stuff that is due. So every single Monday, I'm on the La La Land Crafts design team, and Mondays are my posting days. So I want to make sure that I put on every single Monday that those days are posting days for La La Land. And I leave the rest of it blank because then I will put in the name of whatever it is going to be for that month because each one of them is themed. So each week we have a theme and then we create a project based on that theme. So that's why I'm going to leave it blank. Mother's Day is on the 10th. And I also work, lucky me. So I put it on there though, so I could keep track of that. On the 12th is when I'm also on the club La La Land Crafts design team, and the 12th is when the second club project is due. The 15th, which is no reason to have a dollar bill there, but I think it was supposed to be a pay one, so I'm going to put day off right over the dollar sign, and that is where I'm going to put reveal day for Club La La Land Crafts. The 15th of every month is the club reveal day. So that goes in here, so make sure I have all my projects and my stuff loaded up for that day. And then there's some other stuff going on this month, which I'm excited because there's actually stuff to do in May. So my friend's birthday is on the 22nd. She's going to kill me because I know she's going to see this. Happy birthday coming up, Lori. Also, that day starts the coffee hop, the coffee blog hop. And there's a whole bunch of different places that are all going to be a part of it. There'll be coupons, there'll be all kinds of stuff. So there'll be a blog hop. And that one is for my Not Too Shabby design team. And there's also on the 2nd, I didn't put it in there, but there's also, that's National Scrapbook Day. So there'll be something going on that day as well. This one is my little studio, and this one is by the Planner Pixi Co. And this is for the first week in May and the last half of the week of April. And so I've already started putting stuff in there, my work days, what's going on. I also, look at these little sneakers right here. Isn't that so cute? So I have to track steps, and it's a work thing where I get a bonus to my medical So I thought it would be super cute to put the little tennis shoes over there and put my steps so I can remember to track that. And also my little date night on Monday. That's the night that husband and I watch Westworld. So I thought it'd be super cute just to kind of show you the following week and what that kit looks like, because there's there's so much still left over for that Planner Pixie Co. I could do a whole nother week and still not make a dent in the stickers. So if you like to print out your own stuff and you like to do it that way, then below will be links to all of those companies that I use so far. And I will see you again real soon with another video, probably sooner than you want, because I have another one coming up pretty much right after this. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you again real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.